What up guys? So today I'm going to show you guys what I bring in my bag on a road trip. This road trip is literally only a day and a half. If we win, we stay. So I'm going to show you guys what I bring and what bag I use. So I use the xoxo bag. This is just a little carry-on bag, and they've been helping me along my whole journey with the NBA. And if you're looking to get a bag, it's durable. My favorite of their bags is called the Sled. It literally can fit a full body in it. Like literally a little kid can fit inside. But let's see what I'm packing. Let's get to the video. Alright, so first thing we have here, we have the good old notebook. Notebook's good for journaling. Keep all my notes in there. It's just nice to write everything down. Then here we have the good old hygiene bag. And funny thing is that I found this I literally just found this, the note that Jen wrote me before she left, and it says that Mr. EB, P.S. I love you forever. Wow, Jen, like that. She's probably wondering like, why haven't you read my note? But like, thanks, Jen. Thank you. Anyways, back to the video. So what else do I have? I have a tights, more bags to pack some stuff in. So we have shoes, tripod. So let's start putting some stuff in. Shoes, tripod, tights for the game, band to stretch with for the game, or when I land, you know, because you might be a little tight. Some shorts, a t-shirt, 2 pairs of socks, hyper-ice gun that I'm bringing. Oh yeah, I need this. So that's pretty much what I'm bringing. Oh, my iPad. I gotta take this off the charger. My iPad. That's all I'm bringing to, and some other little things. But what are some things that you guys bring on your trips to places? Like, when you travel, what are some essential things that you bring? Obviously, toothbrush, toothpaste. And the funny thing about me is, like, you see the journal. The reason I have the journal is because I forget stuff so easily. And when I write it down, it makes it so easier and it takes the stress off my mind to have to think about, oh, what do I need to do, what do I do? And you don't need to write it down. You can write your notes, you can do all these other sort of things you can do. But I just want to make a quick video of me sharing what I'm packing on a road trip. I'm thinking about doing a video on what I do post-game, like recovery stuff. Comment below if you guys would like that. And if you like these more short, kind of topic-driven videos, hit the thumbs up. And we're trying to post every single day, so hit that bell notification up here. And if you're new, consider subscribing. Okay, we'll see you guys.